What's up, guys? Tignan mo, sobrang umitim na ako. Ang itim ko. It's okay, worth it naman yung dagat. And worth it naman yung trip. Hello, Merry Chris. Shout out to KKK. That's right, that's right. Katie na Katie ba? Si Katie nasunog yung dito niya. Nagbabalat. Kagabi yung akin, kala ko may patubong pimple. Yung pala, nagpipil na din yung akin. Yeesh. Kulay kahoy na ako, guys. Kain. Andito ako sa Katie. I think they went to the salon. Dapat kanina, pumunta kami kay Doc Rob. Kasi parang na-addict na si Katie sa Doc sa Cairo. Naayos kasi yung posture niya. So, I was going to pick them up pero nasa salon pala sila. Ako naman, I had a hair appointment at 2 o'clock. And dito sa Thrima. And hindi ako pwede ma-late kasi this is inside the Shangri-La Mall. And kung mag-extend sila over mall hours, may penalty sila. So nakakaya naman kung dahil sa akin lang magkakaroon sila ng penalty, di ba? Zamboanga City, what's up? Hi, Leia. Kahit nog-nog. I'm so nog-nog. Grabe. What's that? Activate a stars party. What's a stars party, guys? Watching from Victoria City, Negros Occidental. What's up? Kulay kahoy talaga ako. Ngayon. Tama. Muntik na. Malapit na pumantay sa kulay ng tattoo. Whiskey. Whiskey. Is that whiskey from Japan? Whiskey. Shout out to San Joaquin, Iloilo. Kung malaya lang ako. Team song, kung malaya lang ako. Where is everybody from? Sige, go. Lagay nyo kung taga-saan kayo dyan. Meron ba tayo from India or Dubai? Netherlands, wow. I want to go to Netherlands. Pasig. I'm in Pasig right now too. I'm at the Shang. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Naku, anong nangyayari guys ngayon? Diba Trump gave like a 48-hour thing to open the Strait of Hormuz? Anong nangyayari dun? Because I think that was 2 days ago. Diba? Los Angeles, yeah. That's my hometown. Aklan. Wait, Aklan, is that Boracay? I just came from Boracay like last two weeks ago. Neo ng Pinas from Quezon Province. Hi Marilyn. Dubai, kamusta kayo dyan sa Dubai? Balita ko may sumabog lang kahapon. Qatar. What's up, darling? Hi, darling. Alam niyo ba ibig sabihin ng Mr. B? Sino nakakaalam ng Mr. B? Sige nga, hulaan niyo nga. Hulaan niyo. Punta kayo together with Cap. Saan? Janet Ward. Saan? Lipa, Kalati from the Philippines. San Mateo. Ooh, we got Australia. From Bataan. I'm here at Trima, guys. Sila yung the best. Si Megalize. Kilala niyo si Megalize? Megalize. This is his salon. So, hindi Mr. Brown. You know why she calls me Brown? You know why they call me Brown before? Kasi when we first met, no, it's not babe. When we first met, we met dyan sa States kasi concert niya. Wow. Concert niya, ako lang yung guest. Kami ni Jonalyn Viray. We were her guests. And since a lot of the songs that I was singing was Chris Brown songs, her and her team started calling me Brown. Chris Brown, also because my color was brown. So yun, that's where it came from. But Mr. B is not Mr. Brown, okay? Klaro ko lang. Hindi siya Mr. Brown. Kamukha ko ba si Katie ngayon? It's not Mr. Baum. Be. Mr. Be? It's not Mr. Be. It's not Mr. Brown. Hindi siya Mr. B. Uy, salamat sa nagpadala ng stars o 40. Ay, 1,400 pala. Kala ko 14,000. We got back yesterday. Nauna sila sa flight. Actually, same flight kasi kami. Hindi namin alam bakit may nag-email sa kanila. Siyempre, Team Cat yun and Team KL. When we're together, we're Team KKK. Right? So, of course, I booked my team's tickets. She booked her team's tickets. And for some reason, when I think it was April 4, mga April 3 or 4, nakatanggap sila ng email na they bumped their, no, it's not Mr. Bear. They bumped their flights to 1 p.m. Kasi kami, all of our flights dapat 6:40. So, nauna sila. And it worked out. Actually, it's crazy. Parang everything is aligning. The universe is doing its thing. And the reason I say this is because na-bump yung flights nila. Tapos nung na-bump yung flights nila, biglang nagkaroon ng taping si Kat. So, yung taping ni Chiki, the day she returned. That's why when she came back, nakahabol pa siya sa taping. So, it was a blessing in disguise yung nangyari. It was perfect timing yung nangyari. na-move yung flight niya, nakapasok pa siya sa taping. Kasi wala talaga siyang taping nun. Wala talaga siyang taping nun. Sorry, dumigay ako. Jim! Hajime! How are you, bro? Miss ko na ang Japan. Sana makapunta ako dyan mga May. Let's see. Dapat April, di ba? Kaso ang daming work pumasok, Jim. So, kung meron akong 2 weeks na walang gagawin sa May, punta ako Japan. Mama Dodong! How are you, Mama Dodong? No, B is not for baby. Keep guessing, guys. Keep guessing. Bakit di po kayo magkasama? Hindi kami magkasama ngayon. Nasa salon siya, nasa salon din ako. Kasi bukas may guesting kami kay Tito Boy. Mr. Bagal ka dyan. Bagal ba? You know guys, what I said? One step at a time. Okay, hindi naman kailangan madaliin lahat. Important decisions, you take your time. Bling. Chris Lawrence Brown because kayong mangging color skin. Nakakatawa nga kahapon kasi when we were on the boat, mukha akong bangkero dahil sa sunog ko. Pantay na yung kulay ko sa mga bangkero. Ooh, we got Korea. Annyeong sayo. Jezebel. Hi, Jezebel. Lagi ko nakikita yung post mo. Fruits and itlog. B is for Mr. Best Dad. Oh, I like that one. I wish it was that, but it's not. But thank you. Mr. Bomb. Daming nagsabi nun, pero hindi din yan. Yeah. Actually, kinakabahan ako sa Tito Boy bukas eh. Baka yung mga tatanungin niya. Kinakabahan ako. Inip na po kaming lahat. Bakit kayong inip? Ano bang Sige nga, who said that? Zin. Ba't kayo naiinip? Only fools rush in. Oh, diba? NNRC. Yeah. Gusto lang namin good vibes. Happy. We want everything. May nagtanong ng question dyan. Yes. Babe yan, di pa, Pops? No, hindi siya babe, okay? Taga Busuanga. Oh, Busuanga's from, Coron, di ba? Jezebel. Siyempre. Nakikita namin laging post mo, Jezebel. Watching from Europe. What's up, Diana? Ala, mag-sponsor na daw. Mag-sponsor na daw sa kasal. Nox! Uy, ang dami na natin dito. What's up? 10,000 people. Kain. Itlog. Today my diet is itlog and fruits. Kasi napadami kain ko sa sa El Nido. Sobrang sarap ng food. When we go island hopping, those 2 meals when we went sa island tapos doon sila nagluto. Oh my God, sobrang sarap ng food. Shout out kay Ma'am Malu, Lola Zenny, Kuya Ian, Iwa, yung mga family ni Kat. Sobrang asikaso sila. Nakakataba ng puso kasi they really treat me and my team like family. Lalo na si Lola Zenny. Alam mo si Lola Zenny, paggising ko, she already cut my fruits, tas tinabihan pa niya ako ng fruits ko. Kasi alam niya hindi ako kumakain ng karne. So talagang meron akong special na plate, puro fruits lang. So nakakataba ng puso. It feels good pag sobrang inaalagaan ka ng ganon. Watching from Cebu. What's up, Cebu? Cebu, mingaw na ko nimo. Lopez Vlogs. Isa din kayo, nakikita ko kayo lagi sa Facebook. Thank you. Nasa 3 months ako, guys. I'm getting my hair recolored. Sana bumagay yung kulay ko sa skin tone ko. Kasi sunog ako ngayon eh. Nog-nog! So, diet muna. Sana pumayat yung face ko in one day. One day. Next gig, vegan for Chavit. And then, April 18, saan ba yun? I forgot. April 18, I'm singing Somewhere with Nina. Kami ni Nina. And April 26, for Bingo Plus yata. And then April 24, may wedding ni Vice Gov. Or Vice Mayor, parang gano'n. So I'll be a wedding singer on April 24. And then April 28, meron din akong tugtog. And then, April 30, basta may mga schedule ako na hindi ko alam. I don't really take bar gigs, which I think I should. If I take a bar gig, guys, pupunta ba kayo? If you guys are here from Metro Manila, if I do a bar gig at like Noctos or Fin and Claw or pupunta ba kayo? Oh, and May 9, 20th anniversary ata ni Nina. So, isa ako sa guest niya. Kasi lagi kaming magkasama sa abroad. Pag may concert siya, lagi ako yung guest niya. So, I love singing with Nina. Sobrang galing niya. We have, our voices have really good chemistry together. We blend very well. So, kung sino free dyan, May 9, may concert si Nina, tanongin ko si Chiki and si Katie kung gusto nila manood. Try ko silang dalhin. Kung walang taping si Chiki. Uy! Kakalat na ako dito. Ano yun? There's a question there. The answer to that question is yes. Nanonood ang Mimazur? What's a Mimazur? Sayang walang yung 3Ds and sikat. Papa English Challenge. I think that was a good one. Nanood ba kayo ng English Challenge namin when we were on the beach? I thought that was funny. Mr. B stands for ballad. Nope. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Marites pa more. Marites for saan? What's magbunyi? Ha? What's magbunyi? Lalay. Yes daw. Anong yes daw? Dun sa tanong. Oh. Okay? That's all you need to know. Oh, meron pa ako isang itlog. Ah, okay. Parang may delay ng konti, no? May delay. Gets ko. Gets ko na. So, yung sinasabi niyong yes, medyo, for me, that was like 4 or 5 minutes ago. So, ngayon pala, lumalabas sa inyo. Ano kaya tanong? Mag-scroll up ka na lang para makita mo. Mr. B is not for brown. No. Even though, yeah, brown starts with B, but it's not brown. It's not, Mr. B is not brown. But I am brown. I'm brown as hell right now. I'm brown AF. So guys, pag nag-air na yung guessing namin ni Tito Boy, at ganito yung kulay ko, wag niyo na akong okrayin ha. Alam niyo na kung bakit maitim ako. Kasi nag-enjoy kami sa beach. Gusto nga baguhin yung time para at least magpa-fresh ako ng konti. Whatever. Naka-schedule na. So, syempre, you have to be professional. I gotta be professional. Di ba nga sabi, yes. Love is a choice. Love is a decision. No pressure. Good vibes. Lang lagi. 11,100. 111. That's an angel number. Kain. Heraconta Campuso. Very nice question, ma'am. Sinagot ko na. Palawan. Kailan balik Palawan? Hindi ko pa alam. But, honestly, I wanna go back. Like, soon. Oo nga, may delay. Sabi mo kasi dito, 10,900 watching. Yung sa, dito ngayon, 11.7K. Marie Puther. No. Malika. Mr. Balikan. Wala. Yo! Tuloy lang. Okay lang.
Banlaw na.
Banlaw?
Opo.
Okay. Sama kayo ha. Magbabanlaw na ako. Mr. Bully and Miss Bully. That's a good one. Wait lang ate ha. Manay Vlog. Nakikita ko din yung mga posts nyo. Fepot, di na ako makatrabaho sa'yo. Bakit? Bakit? My God, parang oily na face ko. Okay, let's go guys. Babanlawin na ako. Sama tayo. Okay. Dito?
Oops, wait na sir.
Okay. Yan yung gumagawa sa akin. Say hi ate.
Hi po.
Dito tayo sa Trima ngayon.
Yo.
Yes. Let's... Stars party achieved. Alright. What's a stars party, guys? Hala, yung eye bags ko. Alright, Goku activated. 12,400. Hello, everybody. Please put God at the center of your relationship. Yeah. That's great advice. Mary said, single, not married, but have a kid. Just having years, manika daw po. Yes. Me, single daw si Mr. B. 12K, that's right. We love Korean. Oh my God, what happened to my hair? Guys, look what happened to my hair. Naging orange na. Biglang malaglag, no? Ooh, 13,000. What's up, guys? Let's go. Kaya ba natin mag 20K? Shout out to the Facebook family. You guys are strong, man. Mr. B means babe. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. It's not Mr. Babe. Thanks po for noticing my comment. Very fan of KKK. Thank you. Guys, maglalabas din kami ng KKK merch really soon. I just came up with the logo a couple days ago, so meron na kaming official logo. And you guys will actually na-post ko na pala. Na-post ko na pala yung logo dun sa last post ko. I like it. I like what I did. Mr. Black. Mr. Black daw. Janet Ward. Natatawa ako dun sa mga lumalabas na AI. Grabe kayo. Ina-AI mo kami ni Kat. Ang dami nagsisend sa akin ng mga videos and photos namin na nagkikiss, nagkahug. Hindi naman nangyari yun, guys. Masyado mabilis naman kayo dyan. Bakit naging Dragon Ball hair? Kaya nga, yam. Dragon Ball eh. Let's see later to. Kamehameha. You guys like the color? Watching from Japan. From Japan. Let's just go to my room real quick, guys. And back to life. Put this down. Put this here. All right. I hope this month what? I hope this month para makapili pagbalik ko dito. This month what, Janet? Hawig na hawig ko yun ni Ketty. Si Ketty. Mali yung spelling mo, Ann. It's Katie. K-A-T-I-E. Hindi Ketty. Gusto namin siya makita sa personal. Ah, you might be Bisaya. That's why. Okay, okay. Naintindihan ko na. It's okay. Naging frosted na yung ano, no? So, paano yan ate? Magka-concentrate na lang tayo muna dito sa gitna? Hindi
No,
na
sir.
dito? Buo pa rin?
Uulitin natin. Para po mas dilaw pa.
Pero kasi bukas magpapa-haircut ako, wala na to. Baka mag-scab lang yung anit ko dyan.
Okay, sige. Sabihin ko kay sir.
Si Arjo, okay.
Yes.
Coincident man lang yung matchy-matchy niya na damit ni Katrin. Yes! That's what was ano, weird. I don't know if weird is the right word, but that was ano, nice hair color. Hindi and RC hindi pa to. That was a little, it was very coincidental. Every time she came out of her room and I came out of my room, we were always wearing the same color. At hindi yan planado. Kaya, I guess, great minds think alike. Mr. Naruto. Kaya nga, ano ba yan? Nice hair color. It matches your skin tone. Gina Lynn Ward. From Texas. Alright. New Zealand. Alpha del Rosario. Galing on New Zealand. It's okay. Medyo maingay lang guys ha.
Okay, magpo-focus na lang tayo sir sa to.
Okay. Pero pwede din hanggang siguro dito.
Hanggang saan ba sir?
O dito
Yung
siguro.
cut mo. Faded ka ba?
Oo, high
Okay.
fade ako bukas eh. Or siguro dyan.
Dito.
Ako dyan. Tapos mamaya na.
Ay, ito sa pinakamahaba sir. Kasi ito wala, parang ano na, na ito eh.
Oh,
Ito lang tayo.
Pero bukas papababa ko yung fade ko kasi may kulay pa. So sayang yung
Ito tayo.
magda-low fade ako bukas.
Okay sir.
Yun nga, scalp protector. Kakulay po ng kwek-kwek. Wow! Nag-asal science. Miss Maria Jinky Barino, watching from Salt Lake City, Utah. Hello, Jobel. Manay Vlog is watching. Bumalik siya. Kulay ng badyaw. What's badyaw? Ano ba yung badyaw?
Yun sir, yung akit-akit sa jeep. Yung tumutugtog.
Kulay daw ng buhok ko. Kulay ng badyaw.
Orange yun. Mamaya, ganda na sir.
Oo. Guys, mamaya maganda na yan. It's the process. Trust the process. Diba guys? One step at a time and trust the process. Okay? Pages of my heart. Hello, pages of my heart. Like kung nakikita yung mga posts nyo, mag-rejoice na tayo, guys. Yeah. Golden hair. Yeah. Yes, sweetie. Hindi pa nga ni, bleaching pa nga ni. Bleaching pa lang nga niyan. Yes. Where is Miss B? I think after the salon, they went to Cairo. So if they're done with the Cairo, umuwi na. Ako kasi, I'm gonna be here. When I do my hair, guys, it takes me 6 hours kasi kailangan i-bleach. Yung lightening, kailangan i-lighten para yung toner, makuha ko yung totoong kulay. So I'm always the last man standing here at 3 months. So I'll probably be here till like 8 p.m. It's that long. Oo daw, sinabi niya earlier, Loida. Shoot, ang babalat na ako dito. Paz, bagay ang hair color. Hindi pa to, guys, at hindi ako lalabas ng ganito yung kulay. Hindi ko gusto yung kulay to sa akin. It's not very giving. Okay, it's not giving, guys. Just wait. Mga tatlong paapang pa. Nandiyan nangangati na to. Oof. Ito lang itanong natin para di tago maguluhan. You're late to the party. I already answered that, and I said I'm gonna answer it once and once only. All right, and I answered it. Napaulit-ulit, di ba? Ooh, 5,833 stars. Woohoo! Thank you. Parang gusto ko ng kape. Ano pa, guys? Ano pa? Ano pa? Q&A gusto nyo? Ask muna kayo ng questions. Q&A tayo. Mayeth. Catherine, I think hindi ako nakikita sa comment section. Yan, nakita na kita. Guys, good vibes lang tayo, ha? Let's keep it good vibes. For parents, for babies, Q&A, most memorable moment in Palawan. Sure. Wait, bring this closer. There was actually a lot of memorable moments in Palawan. Napakadami. But if I can think of one most memorable moment in Palawan, it was marami. Especially the last night after nag-video okay tapos nag-bar hopping kami. Tagal ko hindi kasi nag-bar hopping, and I'm sure siya din. So we went bar hopping with our team and entourage, and it was so fun. Makikita niyo yan sa lalabas namin vlogs and reels. So yeah. And it was the first time I drank Red Horse in, I think, like 6 years. I don't normally drink, so nung nagbukas sila ng Red Horse, si Chiki uminom. Tapos nag-cheers sila. Tapos may nagtanong sa akin, sabi like, Oh, grabe, si Chiki nag-Red Horse. Nung sinabi nila yun, sabi ko, sige na nga, ako na din. Kung nag-Red Horse siya, ako din. Mag-Red Horse din ako. Lakas pala ng Red Horse. I think I only had 4 stallions. And I was I got like 75 to 80% drunk. May allergy ka daw po ba sa balahibo? Yes, may allergy ako sa balahibo ng aso. Kaya every time I go to Katie's place in Miss B, nangangati yung mata ko. Even me at home, I have 2 dogs. I have Pablo and CJ. But I have air purifiers and air filters all over my house, all over my condo. Sa skin. May buhok ba dito?
Yes, sir.
Meron? Okay.
Baka hindi magpantay.
Cute ni Delilah, bagong pet. Yes, Delilah is Katie's favorite song. Kaya kinanta namin yun ng isang gabi. Actually, every night tumatambay siya dun. Gusto niya lang mag-video okay. All night. May upcoming concert, Badits Pinas. Yes. If you're talking about concerts, I'm guesting in Nina's 20th anniversary. And that's on May 9th. And I think we are gonna try na ayusin yung KKK concert soon. But, let's see. Let's see kung marami may mag-sponsor. Siyempre, andun yun sa mga sponsor. Kailangan namin maraming sponsor para matuloy yung project. Diba? When was the last time kinilig ang isang Chris Lawrence? That's a good question. Huwag ka naman manadtad natatabunan comment namin. Single nga ni. Sir, kamusta po si Miss? It's not Mrs. B, guys. It's Miss B. But I know gusto niyo maging Mrs. B, so kayo na lang magsabi. It's Miss B, okay? Miss B. Hi, Mr. One Step at a Time. Hello, Christina. Bakit chick ang tawag niya kay Kat? Real name pa ba yan? No, that's not her real name. Ano lang? It's her nickname from a long, long time ago. Taas yung chair. Iyak-iyak sa taas yung chair. Iyak sa taas yung chair. Ah, yung massage chair. Yes, I think it looks better in the room. Diba guys, in the master's bedroom, when you have the bed, and you have the massage chair in the corner, and you have a TV, it looks good, diba? Do I have a concert with Katie? Yes, sana. That's one of my dreams, to have it with my daughter. Sir Chris, kailan po concert ninyo dito sa Japan? Annalisa, sana baka Mr. Bolero o Mr. B. Grabe ka naman, G. For you, what's the best Filipino food? Ah, that's such a hard one. Filipino food, I might be biased, but I think Filipino food is the best food in the world. And I've tasted a lot of food. Filipino food talaga is the best in the world. My favorite Filipino food would probably be... There's a lot, guys. Sinigang is one of my favorites. But I like putting chicken, since I don't eat beef or pork anymore. Sinigang na chicken, which is what's the name of that again? Sinampalukan. And I like it with a lot of tinola with a lot of malunggay. Chicken tinola or mushroom tinola. And I put so much malunggay in there kasi I'm a health buff. I love health, and malunggay is such a blessing for us here in the Philippines kasi in the States bihira yung malunggay na yan at ang mahal. Sobrang mahal ng malunggay sa States. Bihira mo din makikita. Napakadaming benefits kasi yung malunggay, di ba? And you know, we always want to be healthy. Always trying to help Katie eat more vegetables. Trying to sneak it in there. I know kids don't really like vegetables kasi, di ba? But, of course, kailangan natin turuan. And the end game of this, everything here is, we're here trying to be the best versions of ourselves, right? That's why we're here. Ow. That's why we're here. We're here trying to be the best versions of ourselves. Tayo lang naman nakaka-correct ng kung sino tayo, di ba? Ano pa guys? Ano mga tanong nyo? Those are some pretty good questions. Favorite food? Uy, salamat sa 7,850 stars. Salamat! Maraming salamat sa inyo. I think this is one of the first times that I've been on live on Facebook the past 2 years. Yeah, I don't go live on Facebook anymore. I used to go live selling a lot, but we did it on. Lately, we've been doing it sa account ni Chiki, ni Kat. So, since I'm not with them, account ko muna. Merly, trust the process ngani. Trust the process ngani. Sinabi niya kasi for content lang naman. No, guys. You know, everything that you see, yes, we're shooting content, but everything that you see, it's kami talaga yun. The camera's just rolling and we're just being ourselves. Everything you see is 100% authentic on cam. It's not scripted. There is no script. Yes, there's shoot days, right? We have our schedule for shooting because of course we have to, you know, schedule Lara. We have to schedule Kathy. Lara is mine and Kathy is hers. So, syempre we have to respect their schedules. And kailangan namin i-schedule yung mga shooting days namin. But, yung shooting day na yun, wala naman talagang plano. Okay? So they're just rolling in. Whatever you see is talagang, that's how we are. So, thank you. Thank you guys for all the support. Pinapadami nyo talaga yung views namin and napapasalamat ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat. And we're gonna try our best to keep this going so everybody's happy. Everybody has good, you know, good vibes. Nanligaw ka na ba kay... I don't know. Let's not answer that right now because let's just wait. Let's wait for Tito Boy. Di ko naman siya nililigawan, but you know, I'm a nice person. I'm just being nice. Some people might see that as something else, but I'm just trying to be nice and a gentleman. Siyempre yung mga ibang parts dun yung content, like hers, yung Q&A, diba? So may mga questions yun. But that part, si Jelay ang nagsulat ng question. So minsan nagugulat na lang si Chiki na yun pala yung question. And of course me, I'm answering it on the spot. So there's really nothing scripted about those parts, and the who's most likely, of course, kilala namin isa't isa, and there's no reason for that to be scripted either. When we go eat, when we were at City of Dreams, when we were at El Nido, there's nothing scripted about that, guys. I mean, the camera's just rolling, so what you see is what you get. Ay, narinig ko yung Kung Malaya. Pinapatugtog niyo yung Kung Malaya. Bukas yung guest ng Katie Boy, yes. Pero, I think we're taping, so hindi namin alam kung kailan yung airing. Balitaan na lang namin kayo. Sa totoo lang, kinakabahan ako. Hindi ko alam yung mga tatanungin ni Tito Boy. Nagla-light na. Meron pa siguro isa pang patong, no? After nito?
Tingnan natin sila. Magpantay na sila.
Okay. I think this is too high. Pwede pa bumaba pa ng konti.
Ito, sir.
Yan.
Ganyan.
Oo. Saan si Catherine? Sino ba si Catherine, guys? Who's Catherine? Hindi kami close ni Catherine Bernardo. Siguro po na-realize mo po as a long mo kaya laayad mo yan, ma'am. Para ako may ponytail. Actually, gusto ko matry yung hairstyle na yun. Medyo mahaba kasi ponytail ko. Kaso the growing process, hindi ko na kaya. I get a haircut once a week. Kasi sa buhok na to, when it grows even a week, mukha na siyang madumi. So kailangan lagi i-cut para mukhang fresh lagi yung haircut. Corcel, hi ma'am, nandito ka rin pala. Magkakilala ba kayo dito? Yung mga nandito sa comment section? Answer within your heart. Ano ba yan? Tapos ang cute-cute ni Katie nung baby siya. Dala-dala nyo, interview Kim na Chanko. Yeah, I remember that. Pages of my heart. Lagi ko nakikita niyo yung mga post nyo. Galing nyo mag-AI, ha? Pero yung mga ginagawa nyo para kay Katie, ang ganda. Ang ganda ni Katie sa mga post nyo. Wala na kayong tatanungin? And live muna ako ha, may mga gagawin lang ako. Alright? Mag-email pa ako. So thank you guys for joining me for this short while dito sa Facebook. And abangan nyo ang mga ilalabas namin mga vlogs and reels. Yung reels dito, yung vlogs sa YouTube. So, I think sino ba yung maglalabas muna? Ako yata yung first vlog of El Nido. So, abangan niyo yan. Okay? Salamat guys. And salamat Rima.